Hello everyone, I'm Neoh Qing. I'm 15 years old this year, and today I would like to present about my website, SignSpeak. SignSpeak is a website that promotes a non-profit organization that helps close the gap between the deaf, mute, and able-bodied, as well as spreading awareness about deaf and mute people. Why did I decide to make SignSpeak then, you may ask? Well, one day I went to the Starbucks Shining Shop in Penang. Instead of talking, I placed my order through a whiteboard. After experience, I realized that deaf and mute people go through a lot just to place a simple order. I looked up more information about deaf and mute people online. The difficulties I saw online about deaf and mute people inspired me to spread awareness about the difficulties deaf and mute people face and to make a website encouraging people to close the gap. The first thing you'll be welcomed by is the homepage. Over here, you can view the About Us, where you can learn more about SignSpeak's mission. Over here, you can also see the objectives of SignSpeak, which are to advocate for equal rights and accessibility, enhance educational opportunities, and promote awareness and inclusion. Now, we have some statistics to raise more awareness about deaf people. And over here, we have a founder's note to finish things up. Now, onto the events page. In the events page, it promotes the workshop that SignSpeak is doing, such as a workshop about sign language and its history, a workshop about Bahasa Isyarat Malaysia, and a workshop on communicating effectively with the deaf. If we scroll down, you can see more information about the workshop, as well as the workshop highlights in the drop-down menu. You can also sign up for the workshops over here with the button. Now let's move on to the Support Us page. The Support Us page has a shop where you can buy merchandise to help support SignSpeak's mission. There's also a volunteers form where you can apply to become a volunteer to help SignSpeak out during workshop, events, or running the facilities. Lastly, let's move on to the Contact Us page. On the Contact Us page, there is a form that you can fill in with your contact information with any inquiries or questions you may have about SignSpeak. There's also a handy map to find SignSpeak's location so you can contact or organize an event there. On the footbar, there is SignSpeak social media, such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. There is also a translate option, which can help translate the page into different languages. I face lots of challenges with the project. First of all, I am unfamiliar with the HTML language, and this is my first full website project with HTML. It was tough for me to figure out the JavaScript needed to run some of the features, such as the registration boxes popping up and the statistics graph. If I had more time, I would like to add a page where users can learn sign language on. This way, I will be promoting sign language while actively working on closing the gap between the deaf, mute, and able-bodied. More people will learn about sign language, and there will be no communication difference between the deaf, mute, and able-bodied. I thank you for listening to my presentation. Thank you.